Hey guys, Jason Hill here, and I was recently at Disneyland stopping by my little favorite place to eat, which is called the Bengal Barbecue. It's right across from the Indiana Jones ride, and they make these wonderful skewers. And one of the sauce slash marinades that they make for their chicken skewers is called a Tonkatsu sauce. And you can get the recipe at the park, so let me show you how they do it. Okay, since we're not making a lot, we cut the recipe in half for the marinade. And what we have here is 1.5 tablespoons of fresh grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of my garlic shallot puree, a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. If you don't have garlic shallot puree, just use minced garlic. Get that in the bowl. Next we have 1/2 cup of teriyaki sauce, followed by 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Next, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Then 1/4 cup of cooking sherry wine, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, and then I'm going to give this a whisk. Make sure everything gets all dissolved and mixed in together. And then now we just drop in 1 little dried bay leaf. Okay, I like to use tenderloins from the chicken breast, and I have 4, 1 for each skewer, but you can use any type of chicken parts that you like best, cut up breast, thigh, whatever. So I'm just gonna lay these out, cut them into thirds. So I'm just gonna cut these into thirds. I have my bamboo skewers soaking in warm water. That way they don't catch fire as easy when they're on the grill. And I just slide them in between each finger and thumb. I have 4. And just go down the line. I like to have the bite size, just like what Disney does. I tell you, Disney food has come a long way since I was a kid going there. They've stepped up their game big time. All right, remember when you're prepping raw chicken, always be sure and sanitize any working surfaces that you've been prepping on. That way you're gonna avoid cross-contamination. I've placed the skewers in a glass casserole dish, and now I'm just gonna pour over the marinade. And you can see I'll have plenty of marinade if you even wanted to do 8 skewers for this half recipe. Now we'll cover, put in the refrigerator for at least an hour, if not even overnight. But make sure you turn them while they're marinating a few times. Just that way you get the even marinade. All right, we're out at my famous grill. I'm gonna set these in there. Give them a little rub across. That way you'll hopefully avoid some of the sticking. Oh wow, once again, there's that wonderful smell of grilling. It is the grilling season, folks. And if you want, you can spoon over a little more marinade after you get them on the grill. After a couple minutes, it's time to give them a turn. These don't take very long. All right, after about a total of 10 minutes, we are done. Let's go eat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe from Disneyland's Bengal Barbecue. And as always, thanks for tuning in.